Hello everyone, this is Asif. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we will see how to scrap LinkedIn Sales Navigator profiles by using a free extension. So if you guys don't have any experience with data scrapping or lead generation, just watch the full video and let's get started the tutorial. So at first I have to create a filter on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and I have already created the filter. Like the company headcount is 1 to 50 employee, and the headquarter location also USA, and then the job title is founder. I want to add the CEO also. Okay, the seniority level, I need only the C-level persons. Okay, then the CXO, that's why. And then years in current company, I need the prospects, those who are working in a company almost 3 to 5 years right now. And the industry also, I want only the software development industry here, and I don't want any staffing recruiting company, that's why I have to exclude them. Okay, that's the filter. I don't need anything to add here. Okay, let's talk about the extension. So for this video I will use an extension. It's called Closely. It's a free extension. I will attach the link in the video description so you can find it from there easily. Here is the extension. I have already opened it, you can see, and I have already added it in my Chrome browser. Here you can see the extension, and it's totally simple to add in your browser. Just click here, like it will be a button called add to Chrome, and you have to click on that, and it will automatically add to your browser. After that you have to create an account there. I have already did everything, that's why I'm not showing this kinds of stuff. It's totally simple and easy. So once you added your extension and logged in the extension, here you can see the option like email credit got 50 and some instruction how to use this extension. You don't need this page to open for scrapping the LinkedIn Sales Navigator data basically. So here you can see the export option and the closely icon. So you have to click on the export option, and if you click here you can see the issue like you can't scrap more than 2500 data at a time. So that's why you have to narrow down your filter and make it below 2500 data, and by doing that you can scrap unlimited data. I think I have already scrapped almost 50,000 data, more than 50,000 data, but still it's working for free. So to narrow the filter I can use the geography location, I think. Okay, this one, like New York only. Okay, now I got only 440 result. Now if I click on export, here you can see it's automatically taking the numbers and start from page. I want to start from the one page, and after one by one I want to complete the whole pages from there. That's why let's click on the export CSV, and it will automatically scrap the data. Here you can see 100 of 473 people exported, 200, 300, and here you can see it's skipped 33 leads. Here you can see the total number 440 leads. So that's it. If I click on CSV, save CSV, it's automatically saved the file in CSV format, and if I open it, here you can see I got lots of data like the person URL, his first name, last name, and the location, and the job title, company name, then the job title, and the experience like for how many years this person is working in digital solution company. So that's it. That was the video. If you guys think the video was helpful, feel free to like the video, and let me know if you guys have any question so I can give you the answers. And if you guys need any help with data scrapping or lead generation or cold emailing, just email me. I have attached the email here. This is my email, so I can get back to you through the email. That's it. See you in the next video.